everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello! Today I have a Sips by unboxing to share with you guys. Sips by is a subscription box that is full of tea. So if you like drinking tea like I do, which is like all the time, it's like slightly dehydrating, but I just have to like drink at least the same amount of water, which I do. I'm constantly drinking something. Where's my water bottle? It's not here. Panic. Sips by costs $15 a month, but if you use my code ZIYA5, you can get $5 off of your box, which means you will get your box for $10 instead of $15. You're welcome. Anyway, getting into the box. What month is it? October! Best month of the year. Who are you? My niece. We're gonna go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's. We'll see. It's October. Best month of the year. I got married in October. I met my husband in October. Halloween is in October. It's the best month of the year. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Anyway, time to open the Sips by October box. Ooh, October teas. I always love their little card, and it's personalized. So it says made for Ziya, and yours will say made for your name. Pumpkin spice tea. That's the first thing I saw on the card. I didn't mean to read it, but I did. So let's see what we have here. Pumpkin spice tea. I love Republic of Tea. This brand is like one of my favorites for tea. I have their ginger peach tea. That stuff is amazing. I could drink it all the time. It smells like, you know, those peach rings? I hate eating those, but the smell of them is so good. And the tea smells like that. This, I don't know yet because I haven't opened it. But here's the packaging. I'm gonna open it because I'm really excited to smell what this pumpkin spice stuff smells like. This smells really nice. This like smells like really strong pumpkin spice. Like you're gonna get like 3 cups of tea out of this. Really am a big fan of how this stuff smells. Here's a closer look at the packaging. I already showed you guys the packaging, right? I just want to show it to you guys again. It's so cute. The next one I have here is this 3 mint tea from a brand called BOOHOO. The packaging is absolutely adorable. A verdant fusion of organic peppermint, spearmint, and field mint. Very nice. This one is caffeine free. My favorite tea of all time is just like straight up black tea, but mint tea is a very close second favorite. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I love these. Oh, I got 4 of those, and I got 4 of the Republic of Tea pumpkin spice teas. I just didn't see them all in the box. The next 2 I have are loose leaf teas, and if you do choose to have loose leaf teas included in your box, they will send you tea bags. The one that it comes in is like a reusable tea bag. You can actually use that multiple times. And then the ones that come on the inside of this are single use. They're so cute. The little tag says Sips by. Let's show you. See? How cute are the little tags? I love that. That's adorable. Alright, so the next tea I have is this Tranquillo Tea House tea. Let's see. It's a tropical green tea, low caffeine, enriched with a fresh, sweet pineapple flavor. That's really cool. I'm gonna open this. Fruity teas are always really interesting because they smell so good. Wow. You can totally smell the pineapple in here. I see like little pieces of what looks to be pineapple, like dried pineapple. That's amazing. This smells so good. I wish I had a candle or incense that smelled like this. It's really good. Luckily I didn't just spill this all over my floor. And last but not least, I feel like I flew through this really fast. Anyway, last but not least is this s'mores chai. I'm really glad that they didn't say s'mores chai tea because chai already means tea. So like, why would you say it twice? Medium caffeine, gooey toasted marshmallows, graham crackers, and rich dark chocolate. S'mores season is here. This pu'er? P-U apostrophe E-R-H. I've never heard of that word and I don't know how to say it. This pu'er blend is rich and warming. Try it latte style in your favorite big mug. I'm really excited for this. I'm excited for all of these. But like, fall is my favorite season, and all the flavors that all these brands and everything do during fall is so good. Like, you can have pumpkin pie during any time of year, but it tastes especially good in the fall. You know what I mean? Let's open this baby and take a sniff. Wow, just pulling off the seal, you can smell it. You can smell this right through. This is definitely one that I would mix with milk just to make it creamy. Nobody just wants chocolate and water. That's weird. Ooh. That smells like a s'mores candle. A good s'mores candle. Oh my gosh, there's chocolate chips in this. You see it? Do you see the chocolate chips? It's a chocolate chip. Every time I pull out these loose leaf teas, I just want to like eat it, but it's probably a terrible idea. And that, you guys, is the end of this unboxing. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to give SubSpy a try for yourself, don't forget to hit the link in the description box, and you can also use my coupon code ZIYA5 to get $5 off of your box. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!